I definitely reached a rock bottom after my fiance died. We had a kid together. Went completely to rock bottom within a week from that point on. It just got completely severe. I had lost everything within a really short period of time.
So the Center for Addiction Medicine has implemented what's known as a hub and spoke model. And one of the great things about this model is that patients can get care through any avenue. So the concept is that there is no wrong door to get treatment. So if patients are coming in through their primary care doctor, through the emergency room, from another hospital, the Center for Addiction Medicine is able to link all of those individuals to treatment.
Recovering through the program at Denver Health has made me feel like I actually have support. I actually have people to help and people that are there for me, not only to help me coordinate every part of my recovery, but just being there for me. I have someone or something that I can look to for every problem that comes along with recovery and every obstacle that comes along with recovery. It seems like I have all the bases covered.
So we provide a variety of services. We might hook people up with resources, help get people into residential treatment or what's commonly known as rehab. We start patients on medications for opioid use disorders such as methadone or buprenorphine. We start patients on medications for alcohol use disorder such as naltrexone. So we serve a variety of patients at Denver Health. I take care of adolescents, pregnant patients, patients with major traumas such as a motor vehicle collision, and everyone in between.
We provide services that range from counseling service, dispensing services, so people who come and they receive their medication directly from a dispensing system in our clinic. We do intensive outpatient therapy. Depending on what services you need, we can refer out or provide mental health services within our building. I think that the day-to-day work that we're doing is definitely seen in the community. We have more and more clients coming in saying, hey, we heard about your program, I'm here for treatment. And so I think that the way we treat our patients, that gets back to the community and we continue to grow from there.
I found Denver Health through a friend. That my friend was going through the same thing I was. They got help, so I thought like they could do it, I could do it. Denver Health has helped me out a lot because if they weren't here, I don't think I could have found anywhere else. When I started getting treatment at the clinic, things started going back to how they were, and they worked. It really does help.
The Center for Addiction Medicine exists to create a better way for us to support individuals with substance use disorders. We have 6 focus areas within the Center for Addiction Medicine, and they really serve as the cornerstone of the work that we do. Those focus areas are CAM Academy, knowledge management, inclusive and compassionate care, a full continuum of care, community voice, and financial growth and fiscal responsibility. And so that allows for all the projects and initiatives that we do to be centered through one of those areas. We now are able to provide a more streamlined and efficient way for our substance use program teams to interact with our patients.
I do believe that me going into the emergency room and getting the care that I received absolutely is paramount to me living and being alive today. I truly, in my heart, feel like I could not have got to this point without Denver Health. Some advice that I would give to anybody who wants to get clean and who knows about the services of Denver Health would be to take that first step and go to the emergency room or contact somebody from the program. They have tools and resources that'll plug you into exactly where you're at, and to just take that step because your life clean is worth it. And you have a whole group of professional people and basically family members that will back you up here, and they will make sure that as long as you have the will to get clean, that you will get clean, 100%.